friends! Today, our toys are going on a learning adventure. This is a cute teddy bear. He loves giving snuggly hugs and sitting with you during story time. And here comes a speedy little toy car. Vroom! Kids love pushing them around and imagining exciting road adventures. This is a lovely doll with a friendly little face. She enjoys dressing up, going on pretend picnics, and joining tea parties. Say hello to the robot. Beep, bop, beep. He loves doing his funny robot dance and making silly electronic sounds. Here come the colorful blocks. Plop, plop, plop. They love stacking high like a tower and tumbling down with a giggle. Choo-choo! The happy toy train is rolling in. It loves pulling its little wagons and going on pretend journeys everywhere. Look at them all together. What a cheerful toy team. They're ready for lots of giggles, playtime fun, and amazing adventures. Which one is your favorite toy from today? Thanks for joining us and meeting our fun toys today. Come back soon for more giggles, surprises, and playtime magic.